another fantastic video. Today we are going to be unboxing another Meccano set. Okay, so now let's explore the box. So at the front that you can see that there is a picture of a gigantic car. Also in this Meccano set you can make 10 different toys in one box. And there are also two tools included. Now let's go to the other side. Here you can see that this is build time, and for build time it is level 2. For complexity it's level 2, and for mechanism it's level 2. Now let's look at the other side. Here it shows that it's 10 in 1. Now let's go to the back. Here you can see that you can build different types of mechanisms. For instance, a car, a ship, another car, and a boat. And there are also more things here that you need to tick off. And here it shows the cars. Now let's open the box. Okay, so these are all of the parts that I got from the box. As you can see here, there are some parts. Here are a few nails, black and silver. Here are some smaller parts, some other parts. There is the tools and the tires. Here is the main body parts. Here is the instruction manual and some other helpline things. Now let's have a peek at the instructions. So here are the stickers. And this is the instruction manual. When you open it up, it can show you how to use the tools, what page you can build the items, how to build them. Now let's open the bag with the tools. Now I just finished opening the bag. Now let's look at the tools. Here is the first tool. Tool. Now I'm going to be taking out the main body parts. Now I'll take out the screws. Now I just finished organizing the pieces, so it's easier to build my toys. Now let's begin. Now, as you can see, there are 3 available options in this instruction book. I'm going to be building this one on page 29. If you want to build these ones, you can just go to Meccano.com. Now let's begin. I just finished making my car. Now let's paste on the stickers. I have just finished pasting the stickers. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until we meet again, bye and have a lovely day.